everyone, welcome back. We carry on our Lake District adventure. Woohoo! Does Igor get in or out of this cave? And see how we get on flying our drone for the very first time. We are very new here, but if you want to follow us on a journey, just remember to please subscribe. We have so many more exciting places to share with you and we can't wait. How are you getting back down?
There's no exit, is there?
Yay!
Challenge number 2. Well, challenge of many challenges. Look at this.
Huh?
Are you struggling?
Oh shit.
Oh, it's alright. It's got my heart rate up as well, so. Ooh.
Half.
Come on.
Burning.
We made it to the caves.
Oh wow, look at the view though.
It's insane.
I think the view is better than the cave.
I think so. Oh yeah.
Wow, look at this dramatic cave.
There's like a weird mist coming out of the cave. Do you feel that? It's like a weird mist coming out of the cave, like a cold air, like so strange.
It was an old man-made Lake District slate mine dating back to the 19th century. Can you believe that?
Made it.
It almost has like a mysterious feel, and you can feel this like cold air coming from nowhere. And there's also a nice mysterious mist in the air. Oh my god.
Trickier there.
We made it. It's like worth the climb.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
The view is just insane, right? Oh, they're not connected though.
It's not connected.
Flight info, check altitude, distance from the home point, and flight speed. That was very stressful first flight.
I think I stressed him out more.
Yeah, she's like, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. I'm like, no, like I'm trying to use it and play with it, you know?
Oh, that was scary.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie, it did feel a little bit stressful because you've just bought something so expensive, it's brand new, and like, yeah, I mean, our surroundings is very clear, like you can see from here.
This guy's doing cool things though.
However, the landing bit is what got me scared the most, because it's not really a flat surface. So it does say flat surface, but I was like, I mean, it's not raining yet, even though it did start like drizzling mid-flight. That's why we kind of just brought it down, because you never know, the weather might change, and obviously being first flight, I don't want to damage anything. Here is really uneven, so if you look at this now, so this is slanted, that one's like that. So ideally not the best place to fly a drone, take off and whatnot. However, this one's still taking loads of pictures.
Oh, I didn't know you could see it.
Yeah, super wide. Here we go, 16mm, huh? But yeah, we'll do another flight when the weather is better as well, because this is just a bit risky. We did get some drone footage of the views around from all the way up there. It looks really cool. Can't wait to show you guys.
On top of the... What is that? Is that a house?
So time to get some food, as we're super hungry.
I'm tired.
Yeah, my legs. Feels like we've been walking for hours. We're gonna try some Thai. I don't know if it's this the place. Is this the place?
Yeah.
No, it's not the place. Oh yeah, it is. Alright, we'll see in a little bit. Getting grumpy. Cannot believe this. Let me show you. Fully booked. Love it. Let's do this ourselves, I don't know.